What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about SwiftCoin today. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, my friends, and let's get into it, okay? Here we are sitting at about 2.2 cents now on this, the 13th of February. We got about 20 hours, 53 minutes left in this day. It's a brand new day. It's a new dawn. It's a new day, and it's a new life for SwiftCoin and for everybody who's investing in it, man. From a low to a high, you've pulled all the way down to your 382. You closed just below it, man. Everything about this told me that you were going at least to your 0.5, if not to your golden ratio, most likely, okay? What I asked for yesterday, I think, is exactly what we got. If it wasn't, well, was it yesterday? It wasn't the day before. I can't remember, but I was asking for this day specifically to close back above the 382. That was your only saving grace, and you did it. You did it, man. Generally speaking, you close below the 382 like this. This is a clear sign that you're going lower. So what's the best way to absolve that sign? Take it away in the immediate next day. And you did it. You literally did it. Phenomenal. Looking at the daily RSI, you're bouncing not off the 40, but somewhere in that area, an area they like to find support on your daily RSI anyway. So looking good there as well, right? If we look at the 4-hour time frame, you had a little bit of volume come in at the very low candle here, a little bit of volume coming in too on this breakout candle as well. I very much believe that that was your low, that this was some kind of fake out, and that you are ready to go higher. Now, just because I say you're ready to go higher doesn't mean you're going to move like this. It doesn't mean you're moving like this again, right? And maybe you will at some point, but not right now. I think you have to figure things out still, and then in no time at all, you will be moving much like you did whenever you were marching your way to higher prices, right? I could be wrong. This is crypto. This is SwiftCoin, man. Any given moment, you could just blow through the roof, you know what I mean? But you're at 2.2 cents now. A good way to validate and verify that this was the low and everything that I'm saying so far is accurate is to get above the 236 here. And being that you've already kind of gotten above it, I'm going to take it a step further and say that I want to see a 4-hour close above 3 cents, 3.02 cents to be more specific. Closing above that close right there on a 4-hour basis would very much signal that not only are you ready for higher prices, but that was your low. You're not going to go lower than that, at least not until you see higher prices there. So if we look at this for what it's worth too, just looking at it as it stands, I don't know about you guys, but to me this looks like a nice bull flag or some kind of pennant, or at least some kind of bullish formation. If it is, I need to plug this in. If it is, and I think it is, the way that you would measure this is you take low to a high, you take your measure move, and you put it at the base here, which we now have. That's definitely, I mean, it's not certified, but I'm pretty confident that is your base. The measure move would then take you up to about 15.2 cents. This is an area that's right in the middle of a kind of range that we're expecting, right? We're expecting anything from 10 cents to 20 cents, maybe even just above that is possible. If we take the relative high here to the relative low, which I'm fairly confident that's the relative low there, your measure move would take you all the way up to your 2272. A lot of cryptos, you guys, they love topping off at their 1886s to their 2618 zones. That 2272 is right in the middle there, so perfect for me. I think at a minimum, you're at 2.2 cents now. I think a good minimum would be 11 cents. A good maximum is 22 cents, and the expectation should be something around, if not just above, 16 cents. That's my expectation for SwiftCoin. Yes, does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. I hope that all makes sense. Let's see if anything else agrees here. From this high to low, what about this fib? High to low here, and just so you know, I mean, look, you hit that 2272 there. All I'm asking for is the same thing. Go to this 2272 up here, which lines up very well with that 3618. Hey, man, that's nice. That's perfect. Good stuff. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to take that away, actually. You do have turbulence on your way. Once you get above 10 cents, though, I think nothing's stopping you until 16 cents, genuinely. And I really do think you'll see 16 to 18 cents. Highest I would give is 22 cents. I don't think you go higher than that. Weekly RSI, you know, you got this little double top, you got these little bunny ears right here coming out of it. It looks like you like to do this where you'll get overbought, out of the overbought zone, you know, continue to do stuff like that. If you can get back into the overbought zone after being out of it for only a week or two, that's a very positive signal. The more that you live in the overbought zone and the less that you live out of the overbought zone, the more strong readings you're going to get, the more strong movements that are going to promote these readings you're going to get. I very much believe that SwiftCoin is on its path to dramatically higher prices than this. And the fact that you found resistance right at that 2272, founding support basically right there at the 1618, I very much do expect that you'll respect this going higher. So not only do I expect that you'll go to something around 15 to 16 cents, but inevitably something that's at 20 cents, inevitably something that's well above $1, well above $4. I definitely do believe that SwiftCoin could see prices well above $4. If we look at it here, SwiftC market cap is 223 million. To do a 100x from here, that would be a 23 billion dollar market cap. Okay, a 100x from here would be a $2.20 price. Okay, $2.20, 23 billion dollars. Those are very attainable prices and market caps. Okay, the market cap I think of this coin could be worth 100 billion. It deserves maybe even higher than that. Who am I to say? But something that's tens of billions of dollars is definitely attainable. So when we talk about 23 billion being 100x, and that's at $2.22, what about $4.44? Well, then that's you're still below a $50 billion market cap, which is no small walk in the park, but it's a very attainable number. I'm just saying, you guys, this coin, truthfully, I think it could reach all the way up for $10 by the end of the cycle. Somewhere around $10, if not just above, just below, something in that area. If not there, certainly I would expect something above 220, probably even above $5 by the end of the cycle is a very safe bet. You're at 2.19 cents now, you guys. The minimum target that I'm expecting from here by the end of March is 11 cents. The maximum target is 22 cents. By the end of March, we're really looking for a 16-cent target. I don't think I have anything else that I want to say. I think I've said everything that I need to say. Let's look at the ribbons and end the video there, okay? MA ribbon, put it on log. We'll put it on a daily time frame, yes. Looking fine. Again, generally, with this kind of look, you would go lower. But, I mean, man, if you get today or any day to close above 2.36 cents, I think you don't have to go lower. I think that's it. And I'm pretty convinced that you do go higher from here. 3-day looks fine. Weekly looks fine. We're not really getting anything from any of those, so that's fine, man. SwiftCoin looks good. What about on OKX? Yeah, it looks phenomenal. So that's all I got, guys. 2.19 cents now. If it were to go lower, let's actually look real quick. I keep saying that's all I got, but I just want to make sure. Why is it not? Are all of the indicators taken away? Here, we'll just pull it up over here, SwiftCoin. Right here. Yeah, you probably move down a little bit. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but you probably do move down a little bit. $1.97 at the lowest. If you move lower than that, it's fine. I don't think you go below 1.9 cents itself, but 1.97 at the lowest, 2.06 cents might be where you're going. You could really turn around from here, but I do suspect you go lower. That's my thoughts. Before you go higher. A little bit lower first and then higher. I don't think you go below these lows. I do think you go below this low. Blah, 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 whatever. You're going to go up in no time. Okay, for reals, hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.